Tuesday, September the 20th. See those clouds? You know, there's something about a rainstorm. I was driving back from my Oddfellows meeting last night in the rain, listening to the sound of the windshield wipers, the sound of rain coming down on the roof of the truck. Boy, it was wonderful. And this morning, we're supposed to get a little more rain. Life is good, huh? Fire hazard has decreased significantly. It was a good storm. We got a lot of moisture. I haven't been able to determine how much we got, but I suspect it was in the neighborhood of over half an inch, maybe an inch. Anyway, life is much better after a little rain. Making progress on the new studio. I got some things up operating. Trying to revamp the microphone system, and a couple of wrinkles, but moving forward. Had a nice visit with my friend Leroy. Got to spend some time watching the 49ers throttle Seattle with him. And he's a big football fan. I'm not so much. First football game I think I've watched in a year or so. At any rate, moving forward. President Biden has decided this COVID crisis is over. And to some degree it is, but it's left an indelible mark on our lifestyle. I'm not wearing a mask. When I go up to the Ewing wing, of course, they're still in COVID protocols, getting tested and trying to limit exposure of their inmates to that COVID world. It's hard to for some people to get it through their brains that for some people this could be fatal, particularly people in a medical institution. I'm learning to deal with my new hearing aids. I'm hearing much more than I want. Sometimes it gets downright noisy around here, but I'm told that that's normal, and I haven't lived with normal for a while, and so I have to get used to it. So I'm going to get used to it. I still have problems with my Facebook interface. Works fine on my desktop computer, but for some reason the utility in my cell phone hooks me up to another Robert Borchard, and that limits my remote communication. Therefore, I've been posting my videos on YouTube and then reposting the YouTube connection to Facebook. And I tried to post something on Facebook, but they've set new limits on the size of the content files. So, moving forward, this changing world, I'm feeling a bit optimistic right now. Things are moving in a positive direction. We still are dealing with climate change big time. And I'm still noticing dead and dying trees and reading reports about the impacts on wildlife species. This is a difficult role we are leaving to our children, our grandchildren. But hopefully they're up for dealing with it. I don't know what else I can do. Anyway, you guys have a great day out there. This is a great week. We're going to get more weather, a little more weather anyway. And the exceedingly hot summers are behind us. That doesn't mean that we're not going to feel extreme climate change, climate variations, but at least we got the hot weather behind us. Moving forward. You guys be good. Take care of your neighbors, even your wild ones. I've been putting water out, of course, through the summer, and supplemental feed. They're, of course, getting dependent on us. But then, what's the use of being here if we're not useful to the other creatures on the planet? Being a good neighbor. You be a good neighbor to your human neighbors as well. Be talking to you soon. And if my voice is low, it's because of these darn hearing aids. I hear my voice in a completely different tone. And for me, it's booming. But my wife tells me that I talk with really low tones right now. Maybe I need to take the hearing aids out so I can be more comfortable with my own voice. At any rate, I don't sing too much either. Not anymore. I can hear my voice singing, and I'm a terrible singer. I don't know why you guys put up with me at karaoke. You listening to this, Dave? You be good out there. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.